Now, let us come to chapter 11 of your grammar book, that is other words for said. That means said is a word which have synonyms with expressions. Okay, said एक ऐसा वर्ड है जैसे बोलने का जो हमारा तरीका रहता है. The way we speak angrily, we speak softly, we speak calmly, और we argue. The way of speaking, जो भी तरीका होता है हमारा बोलने का, हम आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं, हम एडवाइस दे रहे हैं, हम विस्पर कर रहे हैं, जो भी बोलने के तरीके हो रहे हैं, जैसे बोल रहे हम धीरे बोलो, जोर से बोलो और अच्छे से बोलो, जो भी हमारे वेज ऑफ टॉकिंग रहते हैं, दोज आर दी अदर वर्ड्स फॉर सेड. To clarify it more, let us first see this conversation, then it would be easy for you. So, let us listen to this conversation. How could you do this to me, said Harit. What are you talking about, said Manan. I thought you were my friend, said Harit. I never even dreamed you would let out my secret, he said. Harit was. What are you talking about, said Manan. I did not tell anyone your secret, he said. So, just by listening to it, reading it or listening to it, it feels like quite boring and dull. There is no expression in the sentences. There are no feelings in the sentences. We cannot understand that is this a simple conversation or statement conversation, is exchange of statements is going on or what. So instead of that, to the same situation, we'll see in the next pattern how it can be more creative. So, how could you do this to me? Screamed Harit. That means this statement, जब Harit बोल रहा था ये वाला sentence, he was screaming, he was yelling at Manan. ठीक है? What are you talking about? Asked Manan. Manan ने क्वेश्चन किया. Asked means पूछना. चिल्लाते हुए हरित चिल्लाते हुए बोल रहा था. He was screaming and Manan he is asking. I thought you were my friend, mumbled Harit. Mumbled मतलब मुंह ही मुंह में बोलना. Okay. I never ever even dreamed you would let out my secret, he whispered. Whispered मतलब जैसे हम लोग बहुत धीरे से बोलते, खुसखुसा के बोलते, that is known as whispered. Harit, what are you talking about? Repeated Manan. Manan ने अपनी statement repeat किया. तो वो repeat करना भी एक हमारा form of said है. Okay. I did not tell anyone your secret, he assured him. किसी को assurity दिलाना. This is also a form of said. So now you know that we exactly Harit and Manan were feeling. सिर्फ ये जो वर्ड्स हमारे ऐड हुए हैं यहाँ पे, जब फर्स्ट टाइम में सिर्फ सेड लगा हुआ था, जब उसका हमने स्क्रीम्ड, आस्क्ड, मम्बल्ड, विस्पर्ड, एश्योर्ड, रिपीटेड जैसे वर्ड्स से हमने उन्हें रिप्लेस किया. सो इट क्रिएटेड एन एक्सप्रेशन इन द रीडर्स माइंड कि जब ये बोला जा रहा था तो जो स्पीकर है उसका क्या फीलिंग था, उसका क्या एक्सप्रेशन था, वो सब इनसे पता चल जाता है. Okay, so these are the ways, these are the words which can be used in place of said when required. Okay, so now in this table over here you can see told, agreed, wrote, shrieked, reassured, mentioned, cried, uttered, replied. So these all words are other words for said. Said के अलग अलग जो forms हैं वो सारे ये हैं. So I guess you should learn these words or know these words. Maximum ऐसे होंगे जो आपने सुने होंगे and you must be knowing the meaning as well. But you have to know what are the other words which can describe it as said. Okay. Now coming to the exercise. In this exercise what you have to do is ये जो टेबल हमने देखा था, इस टेबल को यूज़ करते हुए, इसमें सारे वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हुए we have to fill in the blanks using that chart. Okay, so now coming to first one. Mr. Bose said, I was the one who was watching television last night and forgot switch it off when I went to sleep. Mr. Bose dash I was the only one who was watching television last night and forgot to switch it off when I went to sleep. अब वही सिंपल सेंटेंस को हम कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे, क्या एक्सप्रेशन डालेंगे. सेंटेंस से हमें क्या पता चले जो स्पीकर है यहाँ पे वो क्या बोल रहा है. He is accepting his mistake. So you can write that Mr. Bose admitted. Admitted means he accepted that it was her mistake, his mistake. Okay. So similarly, come to B1. Harry said in a low voice, I saw a horrible accident at the corner of High Street. ठीक है. अभी जब Harry said in a low voice, अब इसको हमें रिप्लेस करना है in the next sentence. तो जब हम बहुत धीरे आवाज में बोलते तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं. Yes, murmur करना. You can say murmured, M-U-R-M-U-R-E-D, murmured, और whispered. ठीक है, murmured और whispered. Now come to C. Ben said, what a wonderful time we had at Jimmy's party. So we have to now replace this word said with another form of said. So it can be exclaimed. Ben exclaimed that a wonderful time he had at Jimmy's party. So this is how you have to solve this exercise. Read the first sentence, understand which word is being bold or is made bold and how you are going to frame the answer. Okay, now come to rest. Please try to do it at your home. Exercise second, make sentences of your own using the following words in place of said. So first of all, giggled. Okay, giggled means बच्चे जैसे हंसते हैं ना, छोटे छोटे बच्चे, that is the way a giggling is. Okay, whispered means कान में धीरे से बोलना या फुसफुसाना. shrieked, yelling, laughed, हंसना. boasted, किसी को boost कर रही. yes, you can do it, that is boastful. Okay, so try to make one sentence at least of each. Now come to the third exercise. Just as we have different and more interesting ways of saying said, let us look at the different ways of saying ask, happy and sad. अब हमको जैसे पता चल गया कि SAID said के बहुत से synonymous words हैं और हमको अब यहाँ पे कौन से words दे दिए गए हैं, ask, happy and sad. तो इसकी हमें synonyms ढूंढने हैं. Synonyms means the word which means the same of that allotted word. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है, what we have over here, we have ask. So for ask you can have questions or query. Okay, inquire. Okay, so this is the way how a question also. So you have to write at least 5 synonyms of ask, 5 synonyms of happy and 5 synonyms of said. Okay, so this would be your homework. Try to make the sentences since. Okay, so try doing it at your home, and if you face any problem you can ask in doubt clearing session. Thank you.